Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a conference call using your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. From the home screen, tap the phone icon. Enter the number you would like to call, and then tap the phone icon. To call a number from your contacts, enter the first few letters of their name, and then tap the contact in the displayed list. Then tap the phone icon to make the call. Now tap Add Call. Enter the number or name of the contact you wish to call, and then tap the phone icon. Tap Merge to join the two calls. To manage the conference call, tap the downward-facing arrow beside Conference Call. If you want to place one call on hold, tap Split beside the call you wish to continue being active. Tap Merge if you want to join two calls again. To end one of the calls, tap Drop beside the call you wish to end. And finally, tap the End Call icon to finish a conference call. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.